Hey everybody, I just wanted to show I finally finished this. What is this? It is Kyle Katarn's lightsaber from the old Star Wars Expanded Universe as distributed by Saberforge. So it's not 100% accurate, and I was going to do a fancier install, but I had complications with that. But I think it turned out pretty cool. So this is his lightsaber as it appears in the Jedi Academy games, I think. He uses a different one, I think, in like Outcast and things like that. Yeah, so I'll just cycle through the sound fonts real quick and show up the boot up sounds, which is
let's see what this saber can do.
Which is mostly what I've been programming.
I'm no Jedi. I'm just a guy with a lightsaber and a few questions.
Such a great character.
There's got to be a better way to make a living.
As much as I like Rogue One, like, I'm kind of sad because that was his. Getting the Death Star plans was his thing.
I hope this is a good idea.
He's just such a cool character. Like, such a badass.
This has got to be bad for my health.
And there's one final one here that I haven't.
This is the weapon of a Jedi Knight.
So that one I haven't actually fixed yet, but the rest of them. Let me just cycle.
Let's see what this saber can do.
Yeah, that's a good font. So, doesn't have the blade in, obviously, just a plug, but I was bored and working on that, so figured I'd share that with y'all for whatever reason. Anyway, talk to you later.